everyone, today I'm going to show you an amazing experiment on smoke waterfall. What is smoke waterfall? Smoke waterfall is a waterfall which happens right in front of us. You don't have to go anywhere to get the waterfall. You just have to do a science experiment. So here's how you do it. You are going to need paper tape, glass of water, steel fork and a lamp. Make sure you use steel fork instead of plastic or ceramic ones because it's a little safer, and don't use plastic tape and paper tape, but try to use paper tape as much as possible. Let's start the experiment now. So what you're going to do is you're going to roll this paper tape into a straw or a pipe like structure with a funnel. I'm rolling it now. Now I have made the paper straw and have slowly put it inside the knobs of the fork. You can see that most of the portion is up and the small portion is down. This is going to help us later on. Now comes the fun part, where we burn the top by using the candle light. It has caught fire now. Hold it slowly over the tip of the water. Don't get it touched. Look here, the smoke is coming and it has formed a layer over the water. Let us wait until the paper burns fully. See, this is the smoke getting out of the pipe. Let's light it again. Make sure you hold it at the end of the fork so it doesn't burn your hands. Look here, it is completely burned out. Now I will slowly remove it. And let us check the water. Look here, the gases are coming out again. It looks as if we dropped dry ice right into the water and the smoke is coming out. But why does this happen? This happens because when we burn the paper pipe, smoke comes. Half the smoke goes up and some come down slowly from the pipe. Next, they touch with the water and they form small water vapor, which are like small grey structures you have seen there. That is a smoke waterfall. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Bye.